For the last 25 years, the internet mostly helped people find information. You search on Google, you open multiple tabs, you compare the products manually, you made a decision. Exhausted. And business built empires on that behavior. They fought for attention on Facebook, attention on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, LinkedIn. The winners were the loudest, the fastest, the most visible. That was the game. And most of you listening played it well. And that game is changing. Think about the last time you needed to buy something you had never bought before. Maybe a CRM for your growing team, maybe a contractor for your office renovation. A few years ago, you opened Google, clicked 10 links, and figured it out yourself. But more and more, that is not what people do anymore. People are asking AI before they ask Google. Instead of sorting through websites, people now open ChatGPT and ask, what's the best CRM for a small business with a tight budget? Who is the best AI consultant in the Philippines? And here is where everything changes. AI does not show you a list of links. It interprets. It reads your intent. It weighs your budget. It filters the options. And it gives you a recommendation. The old internet helped us find information. The new internet increasingly helps us decide what information matters. That shift has a name. We are moving from the attention economy to the interpretation economy. In the attention economy, the goal was simple. Can I get noticed? Whoever showed up the most won. Whoever ran the most ads won. Whoever ranked on page 1 won. But in the interpretation economy, the question changes completely. Can AI confidently explain and recommend me? That is a different battle, and it requires a completely different strategy. Here's why. Humans and AI do not evaluate the same way. Humans respond emotionally. AI responds structurally. Humans buy stories. AI looks for clarity. Humans are persuaded by branding. AI is persuaded by proof, numbers, and evidence. That is why vague marketing is becoming dangerous. Look at the most company websites today, including many of the biggest brands in the Philippines. They will say things like, we provide innovative solutions. We are best in class. We drive digital transformation. These lines sound impressive to a human skimming a website, but to an AI system processing thousands of companies, they mean nothing because AI systems compress vague companies into category average. If your message sounds generic, AI treats you as generic. You become another agency, another consultant, another software company. And once that happens, differentiation disappears. Your core competency dissolves. Core competency in simple terms is something that you have that others don't have. That edge, that reason clients choose you over someone else, gone. Now I know some of you are thinking, this is a future problem. My customers are still searching Google. Fair. Today, most people still research manually. But think about where the world is heading. Soon, many buyers will have AI agents making decisions on their behalf. Agents will be selling to agents. Imagine a business owner telling an AI agent, find me the top 3 consultants in the Philippines with experience in manufacturing, a proven framework, and a team of at least 10 people. The AI agent will search, compare, filter, rank, and summarize before the human ever looks up from their phone. The human may only see the final shortlist, which means your first audience may no longer be a human being. It may be an AI system deciding whether you even deserve to enter the conversation. You could have the best team in the industry, the strongest track record, the most satisfied clients, but if AI cannot clearly understand your business and confidently recommend you, you may never make that shortlist. That is the new visibility problem. So what do you do about it? For the first time in history of marketing, you now have 2 audiences. The first audience is human. The second audience is AI. And you have to market to both at the same time with different strategies. Your human audience needs to feel something. They need to be inspired, moved, and convinced. This is still the job of your brand, your story, your presence. But your AI audience does not feel anything. It reads, it scans, it compares, it decides. And it's doing all that before your human audience ever shows up. So the question is, what does AI find when it looks for you? Does it find a website full of vague promises? Or does it find a business that clearly answers real questions? Specific questions your buyers are actually asking. Does it find proof of what you do and who you have helped? Or does it find a homepage that sounds like everyone else in your category? This is what I mean when I say you need to build a truth layer. A truth layer is not a rebrand. It's not a new ad campaign. It is a structured proof about who you are and why you matter. Not hype, not slogan, proof. Case studies with specific numbers. Frameworks you have built and tested, clear outcomes, specific expertise, original thinking, and it needs to be findable. Not just on your website, but everywhere. Your LinkedIn, your published articles, your interviews, your speaking engagements. That's why I do what I do. Because AI does not just read your homepage. It reads everything it can find about you across the entire internet. The more places your specific, credible, proven story appears, the more confident AI becomes in recommending you. The companies that win the next decade will not simply market better. They will become easier for AI to understand, trust, and recommend. But here's the nuance I don't want you to miss. Brand still matters. Human trust still matters. Offline reputation still matters. Because humans still craft the prompt. If a buyer already knows your name, heard you speak, read your book, used your framework, they do not ask AI to recommend a category. They ask, tell me more about Jovel Cipriano. The moment they ask for you by name, you already escaped the comparison trap. You are no longer competing in a category. You are the answer. Attention is not disappearing, but now there's a second layer above attention. Interpretation. 2 audiences, 2 strategies, 1 business. The window is open right now. Most businesses have not recognized this shift yet. The question is not whether AI will change how your customers find you. It already is. The question is whether your business is ready to be understood. Not just seen, understood. Not just noticed, recommend. Join me at the AI Fluency Lab, a small, hands-on workshop for founders, CEOs, and decision makers. We will cover where AI creates real business leverage, how your business becomes more visible in an AI-driven market, and how you lead through this shift without guessing. I'm also bringing 3 systems I built specifically for leaders navigating this shift. The first is the Thrive Stack framework. It's the strategy and diagnostic tool. It tells you exactly where your organization stands and what needs to move. The other 2 are classified. One covers intelligence, one covers execution. Together, these 3 systems take you from AI confusion to strategic clarity. 6 seats, leaders from different industries. 1 room, deep conversation, direct feedback, real answers. I built a short quiz that tells you whether you are the right fit and whether this is the right moment to make your move. Go to line10ai.com. I will drop the link below. Take your seat.